Look how adorable. Look how adorable.
Hey, don't bite me. But don't bite me, you little butt.
Hey. Oh. She looks adorable. What are you doing? Ferret.
She's trying to be a master rock climber.
Scaring her. Guys, it's wait. Let her be. She's trying to hide.
I'm hiding.
That's what. Look. Listen, I have this hawk right here. This hawk sound, which is scaring the ferret. I want to see its reaction, so put it back in there. Let's see what she does. Ready?
Okay. She doesn't seem so scared. She seems more like, what's this?